Alright, you guys, so here is part 2 of making products. So at this point, we are just doing the body butters, and I was just trying off stuff. Everything is really self-explanatory, honestly, you guys. So I'm not really going to talk through this video. I'm just going to put some music in the background for you guys to enjoy. But yeah, I made sure I was, wiping everything, making sure everything was clean, no lint, no water, nothing like that. And then you guys are going to see me kind of like whip in pigment and the fragrance oils in the body butters, and I was scooping the body butter, which was massive fail. But eventually I kind of got it together. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see on my channel.
Okay, you guys, so I'm done with the stuff. This is everything. I just took some pictures and whatnot. I'm gonna do formulation tomorrow. We'll redo the highlighter formulation so you guys can see how I do it. And tomorrow I'll film the little makeup tutorial because I didn't realize this was gonna take me this long. I mean, I should have. This is how you know I haven't like made product in a while. But yeah, you guys, so these are available on our TikTok shop. Make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions on videos that you guys want to see, definitely comment down below and let me know. And thank you guys so much for joining this video and watching and all that good stuff. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's get to, you know, 1K followers. We're almost there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.